You have to have a meltband. How are you stuck on my shit? It's already still like some techie. Hey everybody, I'm back. I just said I wasn't coming back, but I'm gonna put my wig on. I just got my makeup done. Millie on the Beat just did it. I love it. This part kind of cricket, but I don't care. See, I can wear this wig glueless, but it's so freaking long, it's gonna slide off. Like, I'm not finna be in nobody establishment with my wig sliding off. Like, I'm not. I'm not gonna be in nobody establishment with my wig sliding off. We can't have that. Long time we not get a man, so we circle him in like a letter man. Black red falls, so we must catch him. And seeing him when he got hot, scheme hot like Shabba mother pot. Shots fire, every man I drop flat. Everybody strap, every pun I knot. Scheme up the rims in my Cadillac when it didn't wanna not. Everything just falling and dropping, and I don't care. The scheme hot, the day we are the weatherman. The boy should have dropped with the Beretta jam. Long time we not get a man, so we circle him in like a little man. And seeing him when he got hot, scheme up like Shabba Madabat. Shots fire, every man I drop flat. Everybody strap, every pun I knot. Come on. Hey. Hey, Tam. Long time we not kill a man, so we circle him in like a little man. I'm just throwing my little 1-2 wig on real quick for him. So I'm gonna just wear this like this out the door because I don't even think I'm gonna flat iron this hair. Should I flat iron it? Should I flat iron her? I don't feel like it. I don't feel like flat ironing her. Like, this is what it's gonna give. Like, a little wave to it. I don't care. This is what it's gonna give tonight. Cause, ooh, girl, you gotta send me some pictures from the last one we did. Cause I know you was raw. This 38, Tam. It's long too, girl. I don't want to flat iron her though. You like it? Yeah, this 38, dog. This is my little go-to. I don't think I'm not gonna do nothing to her, baby. Not curl it, not crimp it, no straighten it, nothing. Oh shoot, that hair color. Yeah, I'm not gonna do nothing but put some Bio Silk on her and call it a day. 38 inches. Okay, so I just came here, show y'all these wigs, install this wig, and now I'm finna hang out. Girl, what's up, girl? I'm like, oh my God. Take all my money, answer your text. You didn't text me, I answered the phone for you. When you text me? You sent me the wigs, you want it? Huh? Ow, I hit my funny bone. I hit my funny bone so bad. You sent me the wigs you wanted? Oh, girl, I was getting my face beat. I was in the trenches. I just got my face done. Oh, right. How I knew you was gonna get that wig. I said that, bruh. I said that, bruh. This wig, I just tried it on my last live. Go look at my last live. This the wig right here. Bro, look how vibrant. Man. Sleep. People sleep. People so sleep. It right? It eats. It does, man. When you have a chance, go skip through my next live and go see this red wig on me. Cause I was just about to put this on, but I was like, I don't feel like doing that. But this wig right here, go look at that last live. This wig right here, I just tried it on. It was so raw. It was the rawest out of all of them. This wig right here was so raw. Man, she ate glueless. Stop playing. Knots already bleached. Let me see the blonde. Which one? The refurbished blonde? Oh, or that other blonde that I just tried on. How's the roots? Let me see. That first blonde. I just tried on 2 blondes on that live. It was this one with the roots. This something. Oh, well, I'm gonna show you the refurbished. I'll show you the refurbished. But this the ones I just tried on that's blonde. And then this short one. I tried. This was like a Kemp. Like, hold on. Let me get it. This one I was telling you that was refurbished. To period. I only wore her one time. Dark roots. All that. Ready for wear. Ready for put on. Yeah, I told you. And I got like a icy wig. Hold on, let me show you right now while you right here and I'm right here, cause your ass is gone. A icy little bob, like the same lift as that red, but a frontal though. Icy. Refurbished. Icy. You did? I'm happy for you. Oh. We gotta talk. Oh. Icy is 95. She's so full. Icy 95. That's the I haven't posted Icy on there. You remember I told you go look at my story? I didn't post Icy on there yet. Alright, I'm finna go. You gonna see add it. So don't even post it, huh? So don't even post it. So you gonna just add it. Hey, Capri. My girl on here pull up on my live and buying wigs. Add it. You funny. I said add it in your voice. Okay, like that for real. I am going somewhere. I'm going somewhere to this Jamaican party because you know I'm 50% Yank. I'm 50% Yank. Okay, guys, I'm about to get off this live. Text me, boo.